Hello! It's a surprise for you. You are going to listen to your story in English. Come on, let's go. Cancel 2020? No, 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 no. My name is Maria, and I'm going to tell you a little bit of my experience during pandemic. Guys, 2020 was very hard. Pandemic, online classes, Google Classroom, schedule, Google Forms, unstable connection, and many other things because of coronavirus. Although it's 19, the number 19, it came to change the year of 2020. I felt like canceling, but with so many other cool and challenging things that happened, no, 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 no way to cancel. My teacher worked out a way to solve everything. Here at Instituto São José, things were lighter and funnier. Sometimes I thought I wouldn't handle all this, but the warm and cozy moments like boa tarde, beijo, beijo, amanhã eu te vejo made all the difference. Now, fasten your seatbelt and come with me. I will tell you the reason why I didn't want to cancel 2020. My special teacher, Kayla, created very nice moments like Sextou, o dia da fantasia, do circo, show de talentos, cabelo maluco, dia do professor, minha profissão do futuro, dia do esquisito, criação de um super-herói ou de uma super-heroína, and many others. And the questions were hard level. I had a nice experience as a teacher. It was really cool teaching my friends. Another cool moment was when we had to tell jokes. We had a lot of fun. I learned how to create my avatar using Pixton. It was really cool when my camera was off and my friends could see it. I love it to see my friends dressed by professionals. Spy, doctor, singer, YouTuber, cook, soccer player. Very exciting and creative. The day of making grimace, it was really funny. My best friend and I made lots of faces. But the best moment was listening to a story inside a cardboard box. Isn't it amazing? Oh, Sesto! It was the best, in my opinion. I used and abused of my imagination and creativity. It was so nice to discover the filters and special effects of Google Meet. It was very nice to use them. Fireworks, the beach, the ocean, under the sea. I had a lot of fun when my friend was riding a horse. Oops! It was a filter of Google Meet. The filters were cool, and when we used creativity, it was even better. It was so cool and funny to see my friend riding a horse that I had to praise him. The filters were a success. The online classes had a more relaxed atmosphere. We always get excited with new things. I want to explore all the filters, and the teachers also participated. The extra classes became more interesting. I've learned a lot with Tio Pablo, Tio Fabiano, and Miss Fabi. This period of online classes was very cool. I had relaxed moments. I had fun with the presentations, especially the one with bright colors used by the ladies from Senegal. Although the year was very hard and very difficult, I do not cancel it. I've learned how to use technological tools and apps besides the moments of siesta. Moreover, we could have a private conversation with Tia Kayla. During this first year in this school, I could meet new friends and new teachers, Tia Kayla, Tia Miriam, Tia Thalita. My first year at Instituto, no, I do not cancel. I had so much fun since the beginning, since Carnival and many other relaxed moments. Learning online and staying with my friends, everybody together, this is priceless. Every day we had jokes. The connection is not working, but we are working. It was really good to use the computer, meet my friends and teachers, the apps, and celebrate birthdays friends virtually. However, we couldn't eat candies and hold each other. I spent more time with my family and I could attend to classes wearing shorts and pajamas. It's crazy. Everyone working and studying from home. But I'm sure we are going to be stronger and better people after all this. Cancel 2020. No, I do not cancel.